everyone. Today we are going to read a book together and then I'm going to lead you on a nature walk. So this is the English version, but there's another video that's going to be a Spanish version. So you can choose or you can watch both. So this book is about the jungle. Meet some funny, stripy, jumpy jungle friends. Open. Take a look. Ready, set, go! Whoa, look at this lion. The lion is in the jungle. It's hiding in the bushes. Look, I see the lion's mane. I see the lion's eyes. I see the lion's nose. And I see the lion's mouth. And look at these young lions. They have small ears. Ooh, I also see trees and some more animals hanging out in the branches. Let's see what else we can find. So we're going to use our eyes to look for different things. We're going to see some trees. We're going to see some animals. We're going to see some animals in groups. What else can we find? Let's turn the page. Ooh, I see an elephant who had to get its trunk fixed. Look at the elephant's trunk. That elephant's enormous, the biggest of them all. Ooh, I see a gray elephant. What else do we see? I see birds and I see trees. Wonder if we can hear the elephant. I wonder what else we can hear. Can you hear the wind? I can hear my doggie whining in the background. I wonder if you can hear that too. I'm going to let her into the room. I wonder if now she'll be quiet and we won't hear her whining. Oh, there she goes. She jumped. Let's turn the page. A giraffe without his great long neck is just half as tall. Look at this elephant. Is this an elephant? No, this is a giraffe. Whoops, I made a mistake. Look at all these giraffes. Let's count them all. Let's do it. Ready, set, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Show me 5. 5 giraffes, and they all have long necks. Long necks. Look at this beautiful sky. Can you see the sky? Look at all those different colors. What colors do we see? I see so many different colors. Oh, look at that. I see red in the sky. I see blue and green. I even see some yellow over here. Look, yellow and purple. I love that. I love when the sky is so many different colors. Let's turn the page. Do you want to read more? Or are you all done? Let's make a choice. Look. More or all done? More. 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 Do you guys want to see my doggie? She is being so silly. My doggie is being so silly. But she laid down again. All right. Let's keep going. Turn the page. Oh, a big crocodile. The crocodile is vicious. His teeth go snap, snap, snap. Let's try it. Snap. 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 Open, close. Open, close. It's the opposite. When I close the book, the crocodile's mouth opens When I open the book, it closes its big mouth. Look at all those teeth. I see big teeth. I'm touching. It's sharp teeth. So sharp. Turn the page. We're going to keep reading more. More. Look at this beautiful pink bird. The flamingo is so beautiful when she gives her wings a flap. Flap, flap, flap. Oh no, this flamingo lost a wing. Sometimes these Papa books get damaged because we use them so much. The spider spins a web to catch a passing fly. Look at this big spider web. I see a spider web. I can touch a spider web. What else do you see? Oh, I see some toads in there. I see flies. Let's count the flies together. Let's do it. 1, 2, where else? 3, 4, 5. What else do you see? Let's turn the page. The zebra's hide and stripy. The zebra's hide is stripy. It's striking to the eye. Look at these zebras. They're drinking. They can taste the water. Look at that. The zebras can taste the water. They're drinking. Yum. And look at this bird. It's feeding its baby birds. How beautiful. All right, let's turn the page. The snakes, they slither, they slip and slide. Can you slide? Turn the page. Last but not least is the tiger. Roar! The tiger's roar is so loud. Run and hide! Ah! Roar! I can see the tiger's big, sharp teeth. I don't want to touch them though. I'm just pretending. What else do we see? Oh, look at this beautiful leaf. These plants are so green. And look at all these animals jumping and flying. Wow, that looks like a lot of fun. The end. Now we are going to use our eyes. Look at that. Oh, my eye is so big. We're going to use our eyes to look for different things on a nature walk. Because I know we've been spending a lot of time indoors, maybe not moving as much as we should. So let's take a walk together. Ready, set, go. We're going on a nature walk. I see a dog. I see flowers. I see a person. I see grass. Estamos caminando, veo la luna, el cielo, una perrita, una persona, veo piedras. What do you see? I see dirt. I see houses. I see so many trees.